nkurimo imbabazi.
You don't know me shit.
Mbabazi undimo.
Kill my wife.
Mallory yishe umugore wanjye.
No, she did.
Oya ntago yamwishe.
Yeah, she admitted it.
Kandi yarabyemeye.
Driven by guilt.
Bitewe n'icyaha umutima wamuryaga.
I don't care.
Ntago mbyitayeho pe. Abandi bari ahubwo ngo dukore inama. Avoka nawe avayo. Nagiye kubera inama.
Good morning.
Mwaramutse. Inama ngo y'igikoko. Iyi filime. Mukire nawe avayo.
You ready?
Uriteguye?
Yeah.
Yego.
Let's go get him.
Tugende tubatemu bashyize hamwe bunze imbaraga ni babiri bavayo. Kimi ndetse na Mallory bashyize hamwe kugira ngo barangize abandi bavayo. Tururi. Tugende tubatemu. Baba batamiki.
Look at this shit.
Yeah.
Tension's so hard in here you could cut it with a knife.
And that's the only thing hard you know about.
I bet your son knows a lot about hard things.
Ndabizi umuhungu wawe hari ibintu byinshi azi. Kuvuga ngo n'umutinganyi. Cyane kiba gitamuruto y'ikikaro onke. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi.
I was told to come here.
Yes.
Why?
Because we think you should be here.
Who's we?
Kina jano twakira kukwiye kuburi hano. We nande ngiye na body kubera
Not a